Hello, this is Me Olly. It's a 32 count 4-walk absolute beginner dance. I just showed you a little bit of it. I'm just going to take you through the steps, nice and easy. So facing front. We're going to start with a stomp to the right diagonal, leading right. So that's stomp, and you bring your left in, heel, toe, heel. Same with the left, stomp to the left diagonal and bring your right in, heel, toe, heel. That's the first 8 counts, so leading right. With the count, 7, 8, stomp 1, heel, toe, heel, 2, 3, 4. Same with the left, 5, heel, toe, heel, 6, 7, 8. Back on the right, touch left, option to clap if you so wish. Same with the left, back on the left, touch right with a clap if you wish. And then 4 hip bumps, a right, left, left. Just do that section with the count, so going back on the right, so back on the right 1, touch 2, back 3, touch 4, hip bumps 5, 6, 7, 8. Weights now over on the left. We're going to take 2 steps or a slow chassé to the right, so that's right side, together, side, touch. And with the left, side, together, side, touch. If you want to shoot with that, feel free, or Motown arms if you like. So we'll just do that again with the count, leading right, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, we need to get to the wall to our right. So we're walking round in a little semicircle, 4 walks leading right, so that's right, left, right, left, and finish with a V walk, out, out, in, end of dance. So that last section, we're walking round, weights on the left, so walking round with the count, so walk 1, 2, 3, 4, V walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just go through the whole thing with the steps. So leading right, stomping, 7, 8, stomp, 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, 6, 7, 8, back, touch, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, walk round, 1, 2, 3, 4, V walk, at 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we carry on round. 3 times round, you get to this wall, you will finish, the dance will almost finish with the V walk, and just stomp to the front for a big finish. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the dance.